Understanding Android build system was major step for continuous integration, and we have a very good idea how whole black box work. Now open your browser and type www.circleci.com. To start with CircleCI, sign up or sign in using your GitHub account. It's free. Also, they have premium account and lot more options in there. Most important and attractive factor is, in free account, you can make your build without paying anything or providing any credit card information, which is pretty amazing. Of course, you will have some limitation, but any indie developer or a small company, sometimes that's good enough. Let's get inside dashboard. We see our repo is there. Just check mark and this is good to go. Right away, CircleCI start a build which will eventually fail, but we will fix it later. End of this video, we will know about CircleCI dashboard and some basic settings that we will use. Please note that I won't cover all advanced CircleCI functionality. Only those are required will be covered. Select Build tab. On the right side, you are seeing the project it's building or status of it. It's also indicate your repo, branch and commit information. On the middle tab, you can see your repo and list of all available branch. You can have many branch and all will be visible in there. Even your PR will be available in there. However, you can define what branch you want to build and what action you want to trigger the build. I will explain those later part. For now, let's explore more. Inside tab will give you more information about build status. From Add Project tab, you can add more project to the build. Rest of the tabs actually self-explanatory. There are a lot of options in there. I'll just focus what we need to know. I strongly recommend viewer should explore more options in there.